lush green pastures to play in, a sea of knowledge to guzzle on, tender love from parents, and the warmth of newfound friendships. What else do you need to make a remarkable childhood? What else can form the best of formative years for any child? It's the dream of every parent to give their child a memorable childhood and at the same time prepare him for the challenging tomorrows. Vagdevi Vilas School is a place close to your heart and spirit, which creates a wonderful environment such as this. At Vagdevi Vilas, we believe that learning is an ongoing and interesting process. Education is not about learning few skills, but about making a child curious, inquisitive, and questioning about life in general.
We do not believe that education is for examination or for classroom purpose. We believe in the principle of multiple intelligences. So every child has got an intelligence which may vary from mathematical intelligence, spatial intelligence, or linguistic intelligence. A child may not be too good at academics, but he may be very good at art and craft, at music, or at dance, or any other cultural form. We give opportunities to the children through our various competitions so that every child learns this and he is able to bring out his own potential and recognize it. So this is the development of a wholesome personality, an all-round personality that we believe in.
To create a soldier of the civilized society, an educational institution needs to evolve within each of its pupils a complete individual with a holistic outlook. To accomplish this, Vagdevi Vilas is equipped with an impressive physical milieu with the best intellectual atmosphere rightly blended with an exciting emotional environment. Vagdevi Vilas institutions are built on vast campuses in different areas across the city of Bangalore. Each one of them is far from the madding crowds of the city, but at the same time very accessible to the students. The school infrastructure consists of many elements that can easily become benchmarks for many schools. The school buildings are filled with modern facilities at par with international standards. The classrooms are spacious, well lit and properly ventilated. The schools have state-of-the-art computer labs where every child uses an independent terminal. Playgrounds, amusement parks and swimming pools on campus make sure that the students are kept busy even physically, as the institution believes in creating not only sound minds but also sound bodies.
I came from a school which many people tell you is one of the best abroad. What I would briefly like to say is, no school can match up to the standards of Vagdevi Vilas institutions. Here, from the very first day, the teachers recognized both my strengths and my weaknesses. They allowed me to develop my strengths, but at the same time, they paid special attention to my weaknesses and helped me to develop them in such a way that I could course through the exams with ease.
Education is not just information. It's about inculcating a spirit of scientific temper and inquiry. To help the students shape their intellectual capacities, Vagdevi Vilas boasts of well-stocked, aptly chosen, well-laid-out libraries. There are science tech parks where students learn by doing. These are open-air working model collections which cover many topics in science, including mechanics, sound, light, simple harmonics, and many more. The institutions have mathematics labs which are unique in their teaching methods. The audiovisual room is just another way at Vagdevi Vilas of enhancing the learning experience. In its mission to adopt the latest technological innovations into the system of education, Vagdevi Vilas has installed smart boards on its campuses. These help children learn through an interactive system in place of traditional blackboards. The most innovative activity-based approach to teaching learning in the pre-primary segment has made Vagdevi Vilas a prominent name today.
Initially, like any other child, Ananya did cry vehemently to go to school. But just the third day at Vagdevi, she was so excited, she was all full of smiles. Well, that was the kind of spirit that Vagdevi has imbibed into her. Even to this day, she enjoys every single day at school.
V for Vagdevi, V for victory.
Various events are regularly conducted at Vagdevi Vilas in order to bring out the hidden talents in a child. This helps children express themselves and gives a platform where they can get rid of their stage fright, build strong teams, inculcate self-confidence, and thus emerge as leaders of tomorrow. Since the events are interactive and activity-based, children take part voluntarily and thus learn and grow naturally. Vagdevi Kala Utsav helps students manifest their creativity and imbibe a sense of cultural pride. Vagdevi Vignan Utsav not only helps the students enhance their scientific temper, but also embeds a rational outlook in the budding populace. Various other programs that include a series of vacation-time residential camps and field trips are organized from time to time, where students get exposed to various aspects of life which are beyond academics. Along with these several activities, sports meets are conducted at regular intervals which have helped the students develop an intense zeal to participate. This induces a spirit of competitiveness and discipline amongst children as they eagerly take part in various sports competitions and events. All these help the young citizens of today to get an exposure to the real world, acquire life skills, and not merely excel academically.
ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಳೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
At Vagdevi Vilas, we believe that every child is perfect. Education can only polish him. We make sure that the teachers pay individual attention to each child and know his abilities and shortcomings, thus enabling teachers to help students in improving their strengths. This process brings in a strong bond between the students and their teachers. The teaching faculty is carefully selected from the best of human resources available to the school. The teachers enjoy many roles other than just being a teacher.
We were living in the US and we just moved to India. I'm so proud that the school really helped them with Hindi. The teachers here are very patient. Like my kids, they had the habit of calling the teachers by name when they were in US. It took them nearly 4 or 5 months to get used to calling them teacher or anything. My kids are really happy. They don't want to. We had an option of moving to Chennai. They said, "Daddy, you please live in Chennai. We are not moving to Chennai. We want to be here." So that's the level of confidence they have in the school.
They are a friend to the students, a companion during the rough times of life, and a parent in the school. Teachers are motivated to lead each child to the fullest of his ability. To keep the teachers updated with the latest developments in the teaching field and make them aware and empowered with recent teaching methodologies, they are given special training from time to time. Therefore, Vagdevi teachers enjoy a reputation of being unique when compared with the teaching faculties of other institutions.
Teaching at Vagdevi Vilas School has been an exciting and life-altering experience for me. This school allows teachers to teach a wide array of students. What I particularly appreciate is having a chance to learn about various ways of teaching from experienced coordinators and extremely helpful professional and creative colleagues, and last but not least from students.
Every child is given individual attention in academics and other aspects. The school has highly qualified and experienced counselors who handhold them in their crucial times. Any child can reach out to these friendly counselors when in need and seek solace during the times of emotional, psychological and physiological hardships.
The child should feel secure. The child should feel this is the place where it is evolving into its full capability with no negative signals around. If a child never feels like returning home at 5 o'clock and wants to continue the stay in the school, That's the best school according to me. Vagdevi Vilas School provides this kind of an environment both physically, emotionally and intellectually.
A special research and development cell has been started to innovate and implement new methods in teaching methodology in the schools. This certainly shows the school's commitment towards better education for its pupils. Discover is one of the pioneering projects of this R&D cell. The institution holds an eco-friendly stand towards its campus construction. This is reflected in several steps taken on the campuses. May it be the effective usage of solar energy, rainwater harvesting, or the rabbit park, students are exposed to the importance of these things. They are given a chance to appreciate the beauty of nature and are taught about the need to preserve it. There are environmental rallies organized by the school where students participate in and learn the various aspects of conservation. Thus, every child from the institute grows by imbibing eco-friendly consciousness. Today, the campuses have more than 300 species of flora and fauna, and this brings in a serene atmosphere. Security has been given due importance. While the safe and extensive bus service provides convenience to the students, efficient, well-trained staff take care of children on the bus and on campus. The cleanliness and discipline on campus is given a high priority. The housekeeping on all the campuses are of the highest standard. The highly motivated staff of Vagdevi Vilas treat the campus as their own home and maintain the highest standard of cleanliness. Regular classes of performing arts such as music and dance are conducted under the guidance of senior artists. This initiative, named Vagdevi Sangeeta Kala Mandir, is yet another initiative to help promising artists bloom to their fullest extent.
In all the schools they teach science, maths and all these analytical mind, but very less schools care about our Indian cultures and our traditions. Well, in this school they give more importance to both studies and both our country, and it's like what you say, a mix and match of good things. So you can excel in whatever field you are if you come to this school.
Many co-curricular activities are introduced to the children in the school. The interested students get the privilege of being taught the skills of folk dance, yoga, karate, abacus, craft and much more by the subject experts and professionals. With so much on offer to the students, we at Vagdevi Vilas still feel that our responsibilities don't end here. It is with the intention of becoming the true vehicles of social transformation that we are reaching out to the needs of the society around our campuses. The institution actively takes part in the happenings of the society around the campuses and involves the students in them. This helps the students get a first-hand experience in social interaction, and at the same time, the needs of society are effectively handled. Thus, Vagdevi Vilas has also taken up cultural and social activism. Behind this mammoth undertaking, there is a self-driven individual. On leaving ISRO as a scientist, he established the Vagdevi Vilas institutions. He leads the institution from the front. Shri K. Harish.
We aim at shaping each student a leader of tomorrow by igniting the confidence in him. We act like the launch pad for the hidden potentials in the child to unleash itself.
When the school is doing so much for the students, it also makes parents an active participant in the whole process. Parent-teacher meets are organized as often as once in 2 months to discuss the progress of each child.
और मेरा इस स्कूल से संबंध काफ़ी पुराना है। मैं पहले दिन से ही इस स्कूल से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। यहाँ के टीचर के भर्ती अभियान में रेगुलरली मैं हिस्सा लेता रहता हूँ। यहाँ पर जो शिक्षा दी जाती है वो हमारे आधुनिक और प्राचीन सभ्यता का मिश्रण है। भौतिक विद्या तो सभी जगह मिल जाएगी, लेकिन आध्यात्मिक के लिए यही एक उचित स्थान है।
This makes the school, child and his parents equal stakeholders, striving for the benefit of the child.
As a parent, actually, I didn't know what pain a teacher is taking and what role she is playing in the student's life. But after becoming a teacher, I came to know how important a teacher is and what pain she is taking in molding children for their future.
Regular kindergarten education, pre-primary education in Montessori methodology, Class 1 to Class 12 education both in the CBSE and state syllabus are the options available at Vagdevi Vilas institutions. Extended coaching for CET, AIEEE at the PU level is the value-added program available at Vagdevi Vilas. It is also our resolve to develop Vagdevi Vilas Residential School at Vartur as one of the institutions that provide the best modern education blended with traditional Indian values.
First, when I joined a residential school, I thought life in it is going to be boring. But Vagdevi Vilas Residential School is like an ancient Gurukul. This Gurukula has also taught me the life skills by which I can face the problems of outside world.
Vagdevi Vilas Institutions feels proud to lay its first footstep abroad with its kindergarten, play school and childcare center in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
I love teaching. Teaching is my passion, and I think I have come to the right place in Vagdevi Vilas Institutions. One of the most important things that I like about this institution and that makes it different from other schools are the values that are inculcated to the children in a number of ways. Our school prepares the students to face every challenge of the world effectively.
Parents, you all are very, very lucky to have your children admitted in a wonderful school like this. I wish my two daughters would have come to this school, because every day me and my wife, we struggle a lot to teach Indian values to our two daughters. This is the best combination which your child can have, which is having all the positive aspects of Western education with Indian culture.
At Vagdevi Vilas, children are introduced to Indian culture and heritage as part of the regular curriculum, because we believe that India has no future unless the present is rooted in its past. At Vagdevi Vilas, education is a noble instrument with which we mold future generations into responsible citizens and good human beings.
Just like a huge tree or a beautiful flowering point is hidden inside a small seed, tremendous amount of potential is hidden in every child. It is the responsibility of the parents and educational institutions to bring out these potentials and see to that the child blossoms to its fullest potential. Here at Vagdevi Vilas School, we understand these responsibilities quite well. I wish you a very good parenting experience, and I thank you for giving us an opportunity to serve you and also serve our great motherland.
Vagdevi Vilas institutions are in the endeavor of making each student practice Bharat Ratna Sir M. Vishveshwaraya's advice to every student to draw a straight line of conduct and strictly walk on it, irrespective of other people's crooked curves.